Hello everyone, today we're making a popular Chinese dish, shredded potato. It's crunchy and delicious. The ingredients are really simple. Just one potato, some scallion, chili pepper, garlic, and ginger. Honestly, shredding the potato is probably the hardest part of this dish. If you have a shredder, go ahead and use it. But I prefer doing it by hand. First, cut the potato into slices about as thick as a coin. Then shred them into strips. Now here's a key step for that crunchy texture. Soak the potato strips in water and wash off the starch thoroughly. See how the water turns clear? Even the strips look fresher and prettier now. Next, chop the rest of the ingredients. If you don't like chili pepper, no worries, you can skip it. Bring some water to a boil. Blanch the potato strips for about 1 minute. Then immediately transfer them into cold water. Now let's cook. Heat some oil in a pan, add the chili pepper, garlic, and ginger, and stir fry until fragrant. Add the potato strips. Season with 4 grams of salt and 2 grams of chicken powder, and stir fry for about 1 minute. Finally, toss in the scallion. And it's ready. This shredded potato is crunchy and fragrant. Give it a try right away, and I'm sure you will fall in love with it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.